rough water day. I got my homeboy, the Animal Twin Cat, out here with me. I'm rocking the 4514 props. Some bullet prop nuts on there and a couple spacers. We're gonna just cruise and coast and blast and splash and flash and just see just how much we can get out of this thing in this much rough water. Now the challenge with this rough water, it's gonna be going against the side of the boat because the direction I run is parallel to the shore. These waves are coming in parallel to the shore. If I was to go straight out, here, I'll show you. Full clamp. I even come back at you with it. Full tilt. I love the way that thing screams. Okay, we're not gonna just leave the video like that. The animal and I don't embarrass easily. Here it goes. Hit it. Give it to me. Hear that scream. Full leg, full clamp. God damn it. Now that was some high flying action with the animal on the 4514 props. It doesn't have to be a speed run. She did about 85 miles an hour today out of all the blasting off she was doing. Subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean signing off.